Let's explore the world together!
D is for dog, wagging its tail. D is for dolphin, starting to sail. D is for duck, splashing in the pond. D is for daddy with a hug so big. D is for donuts with sprinkles on top. D is for drums that go bang, bang, pop. D is for dinosaur, big and so tall. D is for doll, the best toy of all. D is for dice, for a game we can play. D is for deer who runs far away. D is for doctor who helps us feel right. D is for diamond, shining so bright.